Alright, what's up guys, Stixx Picks here. We're here at the flea market. It's been like 2 weeks. We took a little break, I guess, but we're back here picking, we're here selling, and I'll keep you guys updated. Those look almost real, but they're definitely fake. How much you asking on this?
That one I was asking on sleeve. ¿Cuánto más?
Eight?
8.
Alright.
Yeah.
How much for this one?
Would you do 10 for both?
Let me keep looking at it. How much did you do for this little pile I got? I got 1, 2, 3, 4 figures. I have this, and I have this too.
I'll do those. I'll do 20 for you, man.
All right, I'll do 20. Thank you.
Would you like it back?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, that might be it. Might make stuff a little bit easier. Thank you. Appreciate it. No, this is fine. Thank you. This is good enough. I'm good. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, that's a good little find. I'm not gonna lie, but for 20 bucks, that was a good deal. But that there's a people that came up as soon as I started opening the box. I could have got some more. I feel like I don't know how good those Planet of the Apes dolls were, but I feel like they looked a bit old to me. I got what I could get. I can't be greedy. I'm still happy. What's up? How you doing today?
Huh?
How you doing today?
Hey, good. How you been?
I'm all right.
Yeah.
Haven't been out here in like a week or two.
Yeah, it's been kind of cold.
Yeah, it's been raining and stuff.
These little headlines for newspapers. That's back in the day.
Oh yeah, we just actually had some of these in a storage unit.
Oh, you did?
These are old, though, 1851. I think ours are only like 1905 or something.
Oh yeah.
These things are old. How good are these comics? I know my dad likes comics. Like, how much is like this one? It's a 12-cent comic.
Yeah. Remember I told you any of the 12-cent, 10-cent, 20-cent? Those are worth some money.
Yeah. Like, how much is that one worth? My dad has a bunch of comics not like that.
I don't know. Probably it could range from anywhere from like $15, $20 to like $2,000. So,
oh yeah, depending on the grade.
Yeah, it depends on the grade. If it's a key issue, you know.
Yeah.
But those are all the golden age right there, 12 cents. So you find those Superman, old school,
yeah.
You know, stack them up. So you guys do the storages, but I look for, I go up in the hills and look for barnyard finds.
Oh really?
Yeah, I find stuff that you wouldn't even believe, like stuff that like still in cases. You know,
wow.
Not even open now. Like any of the dead media stuff is hot right now. You know, the VHS, cassettes, DVD players, Walkmans are hot. You know,
yeah.
Everyone's buying them up.
Stixx Picks or something.
Oh
like
yeah.
That. Your dad's a pirate, right? All them videos, dude, get your knowledge up.
Yeah, I try to just post things that I help people out. I'm learning too. I'm new to all this too, so.
I just started doing this like a year and a half ago.
Oh yeah. It's good.
Yeah. All right, good.
You have a good day. Yeah, it's not hard to like. You just have to like apply to be a seller and whatnot, and they'll approve you, and then you can just go live.
Oh really? Yeah, I bought some stuff on there, but not sold. What is this for? Is this for camera?
It's probably like for my. It's a different GoPro. This one looks like it's a different size.
Yeah.
But it's probably for some.
You know,
yeah, mine is waterproof. Like I took mine out to like skiing and stuff.
Oh really?
Yeah, I took it out water skiing.
Where'd you get those at?
I don't know. My dad gave it to me. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah, he just gave it to me.
That's cool. Yeah.
It was his old camera.
Yeah, I like that GoPro. My daughter has one, but I don't know where. She said she needed a case.
Oh.
So I gotta go find her some.
Yeah, they're cool. I took it on my jet ski with me, and like I thought I would fall off, but it stays on.
Where you put it? You put a harness over.
Yeah, I just kept it on my harness. I thought I'd like get messed up.
So you do everything with your GoPro then, huh?
For the most part, yeah. It's like pretty easy. You can put like I was gonna take it snowboarding with me, but I didn't want to break it. I felt like if I fell too hard on it, it would have broke.
Yeah, you would have broken it. That's cool. I like it.
You have a good day.
Okay, take care, Stixx.
Take care.
Brother.
$5.
Would you have 3 on it? Here you go. Thank you. Yeah, I felt bad giving you a 20 for that. My bad.
Think he said $5?
Show you guys what I got. I got some Christmas stuff. You already know, running down last few weeks, last week or two. I was just being able to sell Christmas stuff until it's not really able to be sold, you know. $8, 3 for 20. Then we got some normal stuff from our last storage unit. You gotta try and liquidate that too. You already know that. Dang, look at that. Look at that picture. If there wasn't a hole in there, that'd be pretty cool.
It's all wrapped up. Lots of goodies.
How much for this?
Those, so do like $5.
Alright.
Punching bag, yes. Barato, barato, cheap. Here, earlier.
How much in the board game?
4 each. Or take them both for like $5.
I'll do that.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you. We'll take that. I don't think it's worth too much, but a bit of money. Alright, a couple of things. Got this for $1. Black Ops 2. I didn't really look it up too much yet, but I know it's probably at least like probably about 20 bucks or so. We'll look it up in a second. Alright guys, we're done. We packed up. Pretty good day in my opinion. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got like 7 different things, but one was a pretty good buy. We got these 2 board games for $5 together. About 20-25 bucks each just because they're sealed. Black Ops 2, Xbox 360. Paid $1 for that. I think it's 15 to 20 bucks. We got a bunch of Star Wars things like this Battleship, this Star Wars figure, and all these little figures down here. Paid 20 bucks for all of them, and I would say there's about $100 in value right there, so that's pretty good, honestly. I'll take that. Paid $3 for this little Pac-Man TV thing. You plug it in your TV. I want to say I saw some comps for like 20 to 25, upwards of 30 bucks, but we'll take like 15, honestly. I'll sell fast, but I'll list it for 20.